Are you looking for ways to improve your business efficiency, reduce waste, and maximize profits? You may have heard the term Lean and Six Sigma, but which one is right for you and for your business? Let's see in this video. Companies like Toyota, Amazon, and GE have mastered this methodology, but do small businesses and startups need them too? In this video, we will break down Lean versus Six Sigma, helping you to decide which approach is best for your business needs. Let's get started. Lean and Six Sigma are two of the most powerful business improvement strategies, but they serve different purposes. Lean focus on reducing waste and increasing speed, while Six Sigma is all about reducing the defects and improving quality. But the real question is, which one will help to benefit your business the most? By end of this video, you will understand the key differences between Lean and Six Sigma, when to use Lean, Six Sigma, or both together, which methodology is better suited for your industry. Let's get started. So what is Lean? Lean is the business improvement methodology that focuses on removing waste and making the process more efficient. It helps companies deliver a product faster with fewer resources while keeping the cost low. There are 5 key principles of Lean. Number 1, identify value. What does customer actually want? Number 2, map the value stream. Find all the steps that create value and eliminate the rest. Number 3, create the flow. Ensure smooth, continuous production or service delivery. Number 4, establish pull. Produce only what is needed and when it is needed. And number 5, seek perfection. Continuously improve and reduce the waste. For example, Toyota uses Lean to eliminate waste in manufacturing, reducing cost and improving the efficiency. Then comes, what is Six Sigma? Six Sigma is a data-driven approach that focuses on reducing defects and improving the quality in the business processes. It follows DMAIC methodology. Okay, so what is DMAIC methodology? It stands for DMAIC, DMAIC methodology. D stands for define, identify the problem and customer requirement. M stands for measure, collect data and measure current performance. A stands for analyze, identify the root causes of defects or issues. Then comes I. I stands for improve, implement solutions to fix the problem. Then comes C. C stands for control. Control means maintaining improvement over time. Here the classic example is General Electric, which we commonly known as GE. They use Six Sigma to save billions of dollars by reducing defects in manufacturing and services. Then the question comes, which one is best for your business? Use Lean if you want to reduce waste and improve efficiency. You run a manufacturing or service-based business where speed matters. Your main goal is cost reduction. So these are the 3 criteria you can use the Lean for. Then comes Six Sigma. Use Six Sigma if you need to improve quality and reduce defects. You are in healthcare, manufacturing or IT where precision matters. And number 3, your main goal is to customer satisfaction and high quality output. You can use Lean and Six Sigma both together if you want to eliminate waste while also improving quality. You are scaling a business and need both speed and perfection. For example, Amazon. Amazon uses Lean for fast deliveries and Six Sigma for reducing errors in the order processing. And today, most of the companies are taking benefits of both Lean and Six Sigma. Lean and Six Sigma are both powerful tools, but choosing the right one depends on your business goals. Which one do you think is the best for your business? Share your thoughts in the comments. If you find this video helpful, like, subscribe, and share it with others who might benefit from. Thank you and see you in the next video.